Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 6th when I'm recording this, and it's in the morning when I'm doing this, and so we have a fresh day after we've been seeing the market melt down, and look at what we have. So here, the internals, the order flow is bullish. We can see that here. We can see the advanced decline is bullish, and we can see the ticks are over zero for now, so we'll have to see if that continues. But so far bullish after we've had 3 really massive days to the downside. We even see the UVIX starting to break down, so we can show you the VIX, see what that kind of looks like. Yep, had a bit of a pop up yesterday, so obviously this huge gap up was going to fade. That kind of makes sense, and then a little bit of a little bit move at the end of the day, and then now we're back down. So far that should look okay, and how we're looking on this. So we want to see this continue. I did take a trade this morning on the 0-day, the daily expiration options. So we will see how that pans out. As you can see here, I'm looking at a double bottom type situation. So right in through here, we're seeing some positive Moxie divergence. And at this point, we're just going to have to wait and see how far this thing goes and see if the strike that I picked is going to work out. So, so far so good. And we'll just have to kind of see how the day goes. And yeah, at some point, this thing is going to provide us some buying opportunities because the market just got ripped down so much. So we shall see. And if you guys are looking for some other swing trades out there, again, probably a decent day to go shopping. Now, I don't know if this is the end of the down move. This could just be a larger term bounce. It could be a short term bounce. We're just not entirely sure. We have to be fluid over the next few days or weeks because definitely a lot is going on out there. All right, guys. So stay chill with it. I do also have my second webinar about my 0-day expiry options that I've been trading. We nailed one last week on Thursday after the FOMC. We brought in 525% and 695%, and the thing just kept going after that. So we just took one today. We'll see where that goes. I'll have more data, more information, and more example for you guys on this Wednesday for that webinar if you guys want to check it out. And then we have the class starting on Saturday, August 10th, just right around the corner. So be sure to sign up. We have coupons and we have special deals for members versus non-members. But if you guys want to come in, check this stuff out. We're also running some what do you call it? We're going to be coming in if you guys want to demo basically the Moxie trading room. You guys can come in and try do a trial there too. So fun times, lots going on, and I think this is going to be the perfect environment for this kind of trading since the market has really been moving a lot. All right, guys. So let's stick to it, have some fun, and see what we can do. Thanks. Catch you later.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.